Welcome back, traders. Today's video will be reviewing the FXCore100. I will show you the product detail. The market price of this of $500. But FXCore is offering it to you for just $20. Here you see the description. Now let's jump into MT4 to see how this performs in real time. Here see the inputs. Let's now start the backtesting. Here see the result. Initial deposit $1,000. Total net profit is $2,798 with a 29% drawdown. Visit FXCore100 and purchase for just $20. Don't miss this incredible offer. Get now, link in description. See you in next video.